Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Me, Mohammad Hussain, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Bagapur School and College. Welcome you all to my class, online class. Today I would like to discuss with you about connector, your part in the syllabus, and that is in brief should be discussed today. The students, please note this in the board. Connector. Connector means that is a connection between two words. That connects between two words. Firstly, two words. Firstly, like we saw a bird and a tree together. Here, and is connector because it connects two words like bird and tree. Another example of this, the labeling words with together, we and they. These two words are connected by the word and we can say that connector connects between two words. Even we see that connector connects two clauses. We see that connector connects to clauses. Clauses means the part of sentence, and we know the example is that we know that he is honest. Here we know is a clause, and that is principal clause, and he is honest, another clause. But here we can say that that is a connector, and it connects two clauses. Even we say connector connects two sentences. Connects two sentences. The example is that he is sick. In Bangla, he is sick, she অসুস্থ, so he could not or can't attend the class regularly. We can learn from here that connector connects two words firstly, and here is the connector. Even it connects two clauses, two sentences. Sometimes connector connects between two phrases or two paragraphs. Whenever we write down some paragraphs or essays or compositions, we say that a line, there was a person, so on. This is the para, and lastly we quote thus, that is, etc. Thus is a connector. We can say that sometimes connector connects between two paragraphs, two essays, two parts of any writing, etc. And now we can discuss the elements or sources of connector in brief. The elements of connectors are, dear students, you can notice here the elements of connectors. Firstly, we can say that the signs of simple sentences are the element of connector. Signs of simple sentence. Signs of simple sentence. You know, there are three types of sentences in expression: simple, compound, and complex. The signs of simple sentence that are in spite of, during, while, etc. because of, due to, owing to. These are the signs of simple sentence, and they are also the sorts of connector too. Secondly, we can say the signs of compound sentence are connectors. The signs of compound sentences are the connector, like and, but, or, nor, either or either, neither or neither, etc. are the signs of or elements of connector. And thirdly, you can say that signs of complex sentence. Most of you probably know that the signs of complex sentence. Complex sentence, like the WH question in brief, who, which, how, where, whom, etc. are called as WH questions in grammar. Although, though, that, so that, etc. If, as though, since, as, because, these are called as the signs of complex sentence. These three items are also the elements of connector. The another items are that we can say the adverbs. The adverbs are the source or element of connector. Adverbs, like generally, really, sometimes, often or often, now, etc. are called as the source of connector, and they are adverbs. The other elements of connector are, we are writing down, some linkers, Linkers means the connector between two sentences or two paras, like afterwards, likewise, etc. These words often links between two paras, two sentences, two stories, etc. And the sixth element of connector is the conjunctions. Though we can say that these conjunctions have been noted already in the science of complex sentence, we can say conjunctions are also the elements of connector, like thus, or so, or therefore, etc. And the last part of the elements of the connector is possibly, we can summarize here, the phrases. A lot of phrases in English language, those are used for linking some words or sentences, like as a result. As a result, we can say that this phrase denotes or links between two sentences or two clauses, or all on a sudden. These are the elements of connector. And to advise the students, I can say that connector is one of the toughest items in your syllabus, and if you learn it clearly, then it would be very beneficial for you. And the easiest method for learning connector is to learn or perceive the meaning of that sentences or paras, firstly. Secondly, you have to perceive or conceive the Bangla meaning of that gap as connector. What kind of connector should be put here? What kind of meaning should be brought here, that would be very important for you. If you can learn this element of connectors, that would be easier for you. Thank you, students, for this attachment of you with me. No more today, inshallah, we'll see next time. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.